Assalamualaikum students, welcome to online classes of Knowledge City Islamic School. I hope you will be fine and safe at your homes. Today in grade 3 we will study our English. We have done the reading of unit 3, My Early Homes. Today we will do its words meaning and question answer and remaining exercise. So students, open your book with me. Students, this was the unit of My Early Home. This unit was about horse life, and its name was Black Diamond. Its name was due to his black color, and in this unit, writer is describing about the feeling of horse, how they spend their life and how they feel. So today we will do its difficult words. I am writing difficult word for you on notebook, on whiteboard, and you have to note down these words meaning in your notebook. And you have to also note down the question answer on your notebook. So let's start. Remember, याद करना, meadow, घास से हरी भरी जगह, book, नदी, gallop, भागने की जगह, logging, रहने की जगह, rushes, घास नुमा पौधे, pond, तालाब, lean, झुके हुए, attention, तवज्जो, manner, तमीज़दार, forgotten, भूला या भूल जाना, trot, तमीज़दार चाल, pleasant, खुशगवार, box, मुक्का मारना, colt, घोड़े का बच्चा, gig, टांगा, plug, हल चलाना, water lilies, नीलोफर, शेडी सायादार, besides मेरे साथ, learn सीखना, sweet temper निहाय शफीक, advice नसीहत, pat थपकी. Okay student, I have write down the question answer for you. So note down this. Our first answer is he lived on his mother's milk before he could get grass. Our second question is, as soon as Black Beauty was old enough to eat grass, his mother used to go out to work in the daytime. Our third answer is, Black Beauty mother's advice was to grow up gentle and good and never learn bad ways. Our fourth answer is, the master lived in a countryside, keeps horse and goes to market. He is the owner of the farm. Our fifth answer is, Black Beauty grandfather won the cup at the New Market race twice, and his grandfather has a very sweet temper. The master, our sixth answer is, the master called Black Beauty darky because he was a dull black color. Our seventh answer is, old Daniel was the man who looked after the horse. Student, now I have write the few words for you. You have to make the sentences with these words. Now come to on book exercise. Okay student, we have studied the unit, and you know now you have to read out these sentences and you have to tell कि ये कौन कह सकता है. Who might have said the following, यानी कि ये sentences जो है वो कौन कह सकता है. Have a good day at work, mom. देखिए, जब उसकी माँ काम पे जाती है ब्लैक डायमंड की, तो मे बी ब्लैक डायमंड जो है वो ब्लैक ब्यूटी इसको जो है कह सकता है कि ममा अच्छा दिन गुजारें आप, ठीक है। तो वुड यू लाइक सम ब्रेड, हु कैन से दिस? ब्लैक ब्यूटी कैन से दिस, you are my favorite horse, who can say this? I think the owner can say this word. That boy will never work here again, who can say this word? The master, old Daniel can say these words to the boy. Okay, now come to the third question. Here is a line from the story. Think about it carefully, then answer the question. यहाँ आपको एक लाइन दी गई है. When he had eaten all he wanted, he would have what he called fun with the cords. जब उसका जितना दिल चाहता वो खा लेता, तो उसके बाद वो घोड़ों के साथ ऐसे फन करता था, जिसे वो अपनी ज़बान में तो फन कहता था, लेकिन वो फन नहीं था. Who are these words about? ये अल्फाज किसके बारे में कहे जा रहे हैं? These words are about Dick. These words are about Dick. ये Dick के बारे में कहा जा रहा है. What has been eating? वो क्या खाता था? Dick क्या खाता था? He has eaten blackberries. वो blackberries खाता था. What is his job? उसकी जॉब क्या थी? उसकी जॉब जो थी वो कार्ट चलाना था, ठीक है, वो कार्ट चलाता था. What does he do that he calls fun? वो क्या करता था जिसे वो फन कहता था? He hit the stone and hurt the cords. वो क्या करता था? वो पत्थर मारता था और तिनके मारता था और उन्हें जख्मी करता था. Why is it not fun for the cords? Because these stones hurt them. क्योंकि वो क्या करते थे? उसे जख्मी कर देते थे. Okay student, now come on next page. Okay student, now add not to the following sentences. You will have to change some of the word. Now look at this. Black beauty ate grass. आपने इसे क्या करना है? नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है और आपको वर्ब भी चेंज करना है. ब्लैक ब्यूटी एट ग्रास. एट क्या है? सेकंड फॉर्म है और इसकी फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या होगी? ईट होगी. ब्लैक ब्यूटी डिड नॉट ईट ग्रास. सेकंड है द मास्टर वेंट टू मार्केट. वेंट हमारे पास क्या है? सेकंड फॉर्म है और जब हम इसके डिड नॉट लगाएंगे तो हमारे पास ये जो टेंस है, ये टेंस हमारे पास है पास्ट इंडेफिनेट और पास्ट इंडेफिनेट का जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है वो डिड है. तो उसके साथ जब हम लगाएंगे डिड नॉट तो ये वेंट जो है वो हमारे पास फर्स्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. द कॉर्ड्स लाइक्ड रफ प्ले. द कॉर्ड्स डिड नॉट. लाइक्ड को आप लाइक में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. रफ प्ले. द मास्टर मूव्ड स्लोली. द मास्टर डिड नॉट मूव. मूव्ड की जगह पे आप मूव स्लोली. डिक हेयर्ड अ साउंड इन द बुशेस. डिक डिड नॉट हेयर अ साउंड. अब हेयर को आप हेयर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. हेयर अ साउंड इन द बुशेस बिकॉज डिड जो है ऑल्सो सेकेंड फॉर्म है हमारे पास. डिड स्पोक काइंडली टू द हॉर्स. डिक डिड नॉट स्पीक काइंडली टू द हॉर्स. Okay student, now come on next exercise. Exercise C. Pick out all the pronoun in the sentences given below. इस सेंटेंस के अंदर से आपने सारे प्रोनाउन इस्तेमाल करने हैं। प्रोनाउन किसे कहते हैं? द वर्ड विच वी यूज इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन. Noun is a name of any person, place or thing. But if the noun is coming again and again in sentences, then we use pronoun instead of noun. अगर बार बार नाउन आ रहा हो, किसी चीज़ का, शख्स का, जगह का नाम आ रहा हो, तो हम बार बार उस जगह का, शख्स का नाम इस्तेमाल करने की बजाय हम प्रोनाउन इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो I am a horse and my name is Black Beauty. Now look, here I is a pronoun. Now look, this is the farmer. He is called Mr. Jones. This is the farmer. Now he is a pronoun for using for Mr. Jones. He gives us carrot and hay. Now he is using for the pronoun of master. We have a lot of horse in our field. We is a pronoun instead of name. I like catching them gallop. I like watching. Now I is using for instead of any name. It is also a pronoun. Okay student, this was your unit. Now do the question answer on your notebook and learn these question answer. I hope you will understand the unit. Take care. Allah Hafiz.